You guys, I don't know about you all, but I know about me. And I am ready for the season of love. Let's see if Macys is better for the beginning of 2022 or if it's the same stuff in 2021 that made me want to reconsider my subscription. Well, let's see what we got, guys. All right, you guys, welcome. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're reading the description. Make sure you're leaving me a comment. We are doing a lot of secret giveaways this time around, and I'm super excited about it. I love doing secret giveaways. Makes me feel so very good. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notifications bell, and let's get this video started. We're doing the comparison of a Macys 2021 December to Macys 2022 January. Now, I did sneak peek into December. Funny little thing. I wanted to curl my hair. You guys really enjoyed the way my hair looked. So I love it actually when it's curled. I just don't like it curly all the time. I went to curl my hair and it freaking broke. My curling rod broke. Y'all, in Macys December 2021 box, look. A mini curling iron. You guys, Macys is $15 monthly. I waited over a year on a waiting list to get this box. My first box I wasn't so excited about. Second box, yeah, okay, it was better. I learned that you always get a men's fragrance and a women's fragrance sample. You do get 5 to 7 items. It is a mixture of deluxe samples and full-size items. And I wasn't really pleased with that because I get a lot of free samples of perfumes as it is already from Macys. But I have come to learn to love it because I don't get a lot of men's fragrances. And my husband wears cologne. So yeah, I actually love it now. Macys does come with a card to show you everything that you got. This mini curling iron, you guys, is a value of what? Y'all, I don't know if I'm reading this right. Holy shit. We need the glasses. I am not seeing this. Nope. So you've got brunch in the morning and holiday cards right after. Luckily, you have a curling wand that's small but mighty and delivers consistent heat throughout the entire barrel. The result? Beautiful, long-lasting curls that can go from one event to the next. You guys, it says this thing is $200. I ain't lying. Look at it. Look at that. $200 freaking dollars. Sutra Beauty Mini Hair Wand. $200? No freaking way. No. A mini curling wand for $200? What in the world? Ceramic ionic heating element, infused tourmaline, polished barrel, safe for all hair types, dual voltage, compact travel size, which it is, limited lifetime warranty. What the hell? $200. Oh, you bet your butt we're plugging this in. Whoa, Sutra Beauty Mini Hair Wand. Holy shit. Wow, you guys, as if you can't tell. Let me plug this in. All right, guys, it is plugged in. We're going to turn it on now. Let's see how long it takes for this thing to heat up. It's getting warm. I just turned it on. It's already getting warm. Let's see what makes this thing $200. Holy crap. It's getting warm. All right, let's set this aside. Let it heat up, and let's finish going through this December 2021 box. Let me get this out of the way. Y'all, I'm blown away by that. Whoa. Little loud here, sorry. It always comes wrapped up like this in a little package. Wow, guys, I'm blown away. All right, next thing we got, guys, the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $23. I do love Tarte Mascara. High Performance Naturals. Doesn't say if it's waterproof or not. Triple black lash paint, define and lengthens. Silicone brush combs for the perfect finishing touch. Mascara, that's all in French. Yeah, we ain't reading that. Doesn't say if it's waterproof or not, so I'm going to assume it's not. Again, full size is $23. Okay, here is our samples that we got. This is the men's Salvage. And, oops, and we're going to drop it, of course. Not a video unless Sunny drops something. And the other one is Miss Dior. I got it, you guys. Okay. Miss Dior. Inspired by the tenderness of romantic love, Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet is a fresh and sparkling composition of damask rose dressed in a peony accord. Tender, fresh, charming. Full size, 115. We got the sample. We're going to spray it out here first and see if it irritates my asthma or if we even like it. Maybe. Oh, there it goes. Ooh, that is a good... Oh, I smell the peony. I do. I smell the peony. Romantic Love Sparkling. Okay, I like this scent, you guys. I'm not going to spray the Salvage Men's Cologne by Dior. We'll put that aside. It is $125. We'll set that aside because we always give those away to our men friends. Okay, you guys, we got scrunchies. Is it even in here, the scrunchies? No, I don't even see the scrunchies in here. Maybe it's a bonus item. I don't know. I do love scrunchies. I have a lot of hair, and they hold my hair tightly for me. They are silky feeling, but unfortunately there's no description about them or anything, guys. That one's like a see-through meshy type. They both are. Okay, but there's no explanation about them whatsoever. Next thing we've got Nyx Butter Gloss. I actually have the red of this in my car. Sweet Tooth Rejoy. Not only does this silky smooth gloss practically melt on your lips without being sticky, which it's not, but it's delicious flavored to mimic all the baked goodies you'll have this month. Sheer to medium coverage, which it is. Like I said, I have the red one in my car. It does look very hydrating, and you only need a little bit. The full size of this is $5. Now, this is a beautiful pinky tone, which, as you see, I have the red on today, so I'm going to set this aside. Next thing we have is what? Smashbox Photo Finish. This is what? A primer for your face, you guys. It is a sticky type of primer. I've used it before. I don't use a lot of primers because I use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, but that's, yeah, Poreless Putty Primer. That's the only one I really use, so. Okay, next one we have is the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb. I've received this multiple times. Amazing moisturizer. It's loved by the beauty community, and for good reason. Meet a moisturizer that does all the heavy lifting, formulated with ladies' menthol ceramides and ceramide 3 and glycerin. This acts like a burst of hydration for dry, dull winter skin. Yes, full size, $38. It is a good moisturizer, you guys. Okay, you guys, that is all for December. You get the $10 off coupon for those that want to use it. There it is. Okay, next thing, let's check this hot iron. All right, you guys, it's hot. Okay, let your girl do her thing. Let's see what she does. $200, you better be good. All right, it's on. That's 20 seconds. Ooh, she's good. That was only 20 seconds, you guys. Let's do the bottom of my ponytail here. See how quickly it does that. Like a little bouncy bouncy. How are you guys doing? That's 20. Okay, she's not too shabby, you guys. I ain't paying $200 freaking for it, though. No way, no how. Let's go ahead and get this one done so I don't look a fright. You just need, oh yeah, a couple seconds with that, which I knew that was going to happen because it's a lot thinner spot. $200, you guys. All right. Macy's December. Holy crap, you guys. Let's get into January. See what we got. Okay. Maybe the card's inside the package. We have a bag. Oh, no, it was on the bottom. We have a little makeup bag. Be kind to yourself. Me time, self-care is what the makeup bag says. Y'all, I'm blown away by that little mini curling iron. Wowzers. Okay, and here is my card. All right, what do we have? Y'all, I'm pretty sure December just kicked January's butt. Hands down. Because this looks like a whole lot of skincare, according to the card. Yes, it is. This month's theme is called Bear It Off. Give it some bear, baby. Yeah, I'm in a mood. All right, we did get a full Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Wish I just got some more Elemis in the Ipsy box. Okay. There's nothing like the feeling of washing off all your glam at the end of the day. Elemis makes it that much easier with a cleansing balm that melts away makeup like it never existed. I got a few people like that right now that never existed. Back to it, you guys. Elemis makes it that much easier with a cleansing balm that melts away makeup like it never existed while bolstering your skin's hydration with essential and mineral oils. Guys, this is $64. $64. So, what is the special oils and stuff in here that makes it so expensive? We would like to know that, Elemis. $64, you guys. Okay, let's set it aside. Let's move on. Ahava Mineral Hand Cream. This is, if there's a chill in the air, dry skin is sure to follow. Protect your hands from dull weather with a mineral-enriched cream that soothes chapped skin and uses aloe vera to restore moisture. Okay, I do love hand creams that have aloe vera in it. All right, happy with this. $24. Here she is. Massage into your hands as needed. All right, guys, next thing we have Youth House Glow and Go Gold Eye Recovery Patches. You can get these at TJ Maxx. This full size is $30. It does not say how many you get in here. You slap them on your eyeballs, leave them for 15 to 20 minutes. A lot of people like to do it to put it on there when they're putting on their eye makeup because it actually falls down on these and you just pop right off and then put on your moisturizer and your primer, makeup, good to go. Okay. Youth House Glow and Go Gold Eye Recovery Patches. If you're exhausted from a busy holiday season, meet your new bestie. Okay, it's supposed to brighten your under eye and restore your natural radiance. Here she is. Next thing we have, it's actually wrapped in cellophane. Intensive Moisture Babur. These are concentrates. They're called Hydra Plus. It's time to boost your hydration levels to the max. This concentrated skincare formula is made specially for dry skin. Hyaluronic acid and plant-based ingredients provide the ultimate source of moisture for a refreshed and revitalized complexion. $29.95. Pat gently on a clean skin, followed by moisturizer. Well, if this is a Hydra Plus with hyaluronic acid, ultimate source of moisture, why would I need to put on my moisturizer after this? That don't make any sense. Whatever. Okay, let's move on. I didn't get 2 perfume samples. Maybe Macy's changed that up in 2022. I did get Clarins Skincare Total Eye Lift Eye Concentrate. Take it to the next level with Clarins Seriously Powerful Concentrate aimed at visibly smoothing wrinkles, minimizing dark circles, and reducing persistent puffiness. Blah, blah, blah. $89 for a full size of this, you guys. Wow. Okay. Very skincare heavy for 2022. What could this be? Beautiful Magnolia by Estee Lauder. Radiance comes in many forms, this being one. Discover a love story of warm florals, inviting musk that blend into a romantic tale. It's a perfume. Okay, it's not skincare. Holy crap. Wow, that whole box was skincare. Besides this perfume, which I'm not going to spray because we just sprayed from the previous box samples. Okay, it's sample, full size, $128. We'll pop that baby back in there until we try it another day. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 skincares, you guys, and then a perfume. Macys, no. Last year was the year of skincare. We're done with that. Here it all is, you guys. Somebody would be extremely happy with this box. People that didn't get a lot of skincare last year, which I don't know about. Macys, your December box rocked my socks off. We got makeup. We got primer. We had one skincare, a beautiful smelling perfume. Oh, let's don't forget about this bag that we got for January 2022. Which to beat all the skincare in it. And the Hydra Plus that came in also for the skincare box of January 2022. Yeah. Scrunchies, yeah. These don't feel like good quality scrunchies, you guys. They feel like they're actually going to fall apart soon. They may not. I don't know. I haven't tried them. Who knows? Mascara, yeah. 2021 December, Macys. You win. 2022 January, Macys. No. You blew. No, please don't be a year full of that or I will be canceling you very, very quickly. All right, guys, that is all for the Macys comparison for December 2021 to January 2022. What do y'all think? I think December 2021 rocked it. Macys starting off with a bunch of skincare. No, honey. No. Go back to 2021. That's not what we want in 2022. All right, loves. That is the end. Like I said in the beginning, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notifications bell. Make sure you're looking for those secret giveaways. All right, loves. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.